amazing from the outside. Hello, this is Zach and Wyatt. This is my dad's Ford Focus RS, and this is the GFB DV+. We're gonna install it and tell you about it. And if we look in here, get through, that's the piece we're replacing. So I don't think there's anything else we really have to take off. Just have to undo that and read the instructions. So as you can see, the hose is off. And now we're just gonna take out those little screws. All right, so here are the 3 screws, the cap, and the plunger. I think there's a spring, but the spring flew away. So live and let live, people. So I'm finding this super fiddly to put in. I'm definitely doing something wrong, and I guess I'll figure out what I'm doing wrong in a minute. Alright, so I'm a total idiot. This is the one I got from Rally Sport Direct, and I got the wrong one. So, I got this one, which is for the RS, not the ST, because, again, total fucking idiot. It's all the same stuff, basically. You can't really tell the difference until you compare these sizes. So you can tell just by looking, it's slightly further apart on the sides. Looks like the chamber's the same, so that's interesting to know. And then, you know, putting it together, we have the installation screw. We have this. Let's screw that on. You don't want to screw this on too tight because it's brass. So just finger tight is good. And then we have this, and we have this, and we have this, and then also this. So GFB says you don't actually need this because their system is so amazing. But yeah, let's go ahead and install. This goes in here, and then this, and then this, just like that. And then we're going to get the installation screw. Squeeze. That should do it. And now we're just going to take the old one off again and install this one. And I like these screw perches. That's nice. And then once again, we are removing all of our T30 Torx from here. Alright, the factory one is out once again, and we're gonna put this one in. It's in. I just have to tighten up those Torx, take out the installation screw, and install the rubber hose. This is the spring preload screw. In the instructions it says to put grease on it, but I could see it is already pre-greased, which is cool. So we're just going to pop this in. When you have it flush to the body of the valve, it is on the softest setting. We're going to put it on a little harder of a setting because we are going to do something the instructions and people online say is dumb. We're gonna make it have some compressor surge, which is awesome. It sounds cool, and why not? It'll make the turbo last less long. But new turbo, who cares? So, since it's raining, very annoyingly, we're just gonna be in the garage and do this. So we're gonna piss off all the neighbors, but I think it's worth it. So this exhaust is extremely loud. I'm gonna leave it normal mode because we're gonna wake the neighbors. Let's just give it a couple blips. Oh, God damn it. Stupid backfires. Okay. I do hear some different noises, but we're gonna have to wait. It's too loud. It's so loud. All right, so far I can't hear it. Maybe I just need to adjust it different. Let's get out and see how it sounds. It sounds amazing from the outside. You can't hear it at all on the inside. Get out. Yeah, so it works and it's pretty loud. You just can't hear it from inside the car because your exhaust is too loud. That sounds great. Do it one more time. It sounds... Oh! Nothing. So, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Probably something to make this louder. Bye.
Oh my god, what? Oh, Mustang 2s! That's awesome. Wow. It's red. Oh my god. Wow. That's awesome. Ooh, I love it.